What's up? It's been so long since I've been on this channel. I did post a recent video. I will put a link to it down below in the description box. I just wanted to jump on here and quickly show my face and say hi. How are you doing? I hope that all is well with you and your family. If you are watching this video and you are a subscriber of mine, hi my beautiful subscriber. If you are not a subscriber, pause this video and hit the red button down below. Also, click the bell to be notified of whenever I do upload a video. I'm going to try my best to be more consistent with my content. Anyway, this video today is all about making some bake. Thank you for being so patient with me. I have recorded this video months ago, but I recently got the time to sit down and edit it. So here is what I edited. If you like bake and salt fish, a proper breakfast in the morning with a cup of Milo coffee or a cup of bush tea or tea bag, yeah, you like this video. Sorry about the noise. I'm by the window. The window's open. It's kind of hot, not too hot, but you know, it's hot enough. So yeah, you like my makeup? I haven't worn makeup in a long time, but I decided to do this. I'll post my Instagram down below because I put it on Instagram if you're interested. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and enjoy the video. If you do make this, please comment and post your video or post a link to your video or something, or go on my Instagram and look for my bake and sawfish post and leave a comment down below there. So let me check yours. Oh, okay. All right guys, take care. God bless you. Enjoy. Mwah. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing a voiceover. So we're going to start with half cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of warm milk. So you're going to mix those two together. You're going to mix it until the sugar has dissolved, and you're going to set that bowl aside. So in a separate bowl, you're going to pour out 2.5 to 3 cups of flour, depending on how much bake you want to make. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You're going to add a little salt. I've added half a teaspoon of salt. We're using Kerrygold pure Irish butter. I'm using 1 tablespoon of butter. Alright guys, so before you even begin to mix or add the dry ingredients, you want to wash your hands. Now when you're mixing the dough, you will be using your hands, so just make sure that it's clean, especially if you're cooking for other people. So you want to mix it as I am doing in the video until it's really crumbly. You're gonna see. Oh, by the way, this is my first time making float bake, so I'm speaking as if I'm experienced. I'm not. I know what monkey is and pot bake. You want to mix it until you see like it's crumbly like this. And you have to use your hands for this part. Now you're gonna add this. I'm just adding some flour onto a meat board so that I can put the dough on top of the board and I can further knead it. I'm adding the flour so that it won't stick to the board. I just want to say I am not very skilled at kneading any type of dough. I am now getting into this. So if you are going to do this and follow what I'm doing, just make sure that you knead this baked dough really well. It's not hard. You're just folding things and pressing it in. Just so that you want your stuff to come out good. So in a separate bowl, you want to put a little bit of butter in there and use your fingers to spread the butter all over the bowl. Then take the dough and put it into the bowl and cover it down for 30 minutes. Alright guys, so you want to make sure that the surface that you're going to put the risen dough on is clean. You want to add some flour as I just did, and you're going to take a rolling pin and you're going to roll it until it's flat as demonstrated. Okay guys, so after I rolled out the dough, I am now just cutting out my baked pieces. I don't have the right tools for it, so I improvised and used a small bowl and then use a knife to cut it as demonstrated to get my first piece. And that's what I went around and did. So for every piece that you cut out, or that I cut out, I went ahead and rolled it so that it will be nice and flat. These are all of the pieces that I got. Look at that one, that's super big there. Alright, now it's time to fry the bakes. So you want to put some oil in your pan. You want to put enough in there so that when you put it in, your bake will be saturated. And so that is what I did. I can't give you a specific measurement in terms of how much oil I used. I just eyeballed it. And you want to make sure that the heat is on low, because for my first batch I didn't really like how it came out, but you guys will see and you can be the judge for yourself. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know what you think. I didn't record a lot of video of me just frying the base because it's repetitive. So this is pretty much the end of this video. This is how the inside of my first set of float bakes look, and I think I really did not too bad. I gotta keep working on it, and usually people make it for me, but I'm so glad that I do have an idea of how to make it on my own, and I'm glad that I recorded it so that I can always look back on my own video as a reference. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this. Please leave your thoughts and comments down below. Subscribe to my channel if you're not. Share this video if you feel like it. Connect with me on my socials. Instagram is where you can get me. I'll leave my email as well. And I will see you in another video very, very soon. Take care of your beautiful selves. Stay safe and God bless you. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.